Hey there, it's still raining over here. I've been really busy thinking about storms and why they make me so nervous. Turns out, I really hate all the thunder and lightning. I've had the chance to see these storms up close and personal, that's for sure. Uh-oh, this is a little too up close and personal. There goes the power. Mia, I am at a total loss. I have to write my essay, but the power's out because of the storm. What do you think I should do? Oh, haha, Mia, very funny. Can't believe that. Mia says I need to brainstorm. Wait, that's it. We can brainstorm a solution to get my lights back on, and then I can write my essay. All right, Mia, let's get into today's lesson and see what kind of brainstorms we can create. Today's lesson is all about choosing a topic for your expository essay. Before we begin, do you have your PDF ready to take notes? Great! By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to understand the process for choosing an expository topic and evaluate the scope of different topics. When choosing a topic for your expository essay, you can start by exploring what you're interested in. Writing is more engaging when you're invested in your topic. For example, my essay is going to help me face my fear of storms. If I learn how to explain them, maybe they won't be so scary, right? If you're more interested in your topic, your writing will be more interesting too. Then, consider your knowledge on your topic. If you already know a little bit about something, that's a great place to start. It also makes it easier to ask great questions. For example, I already know that storms tend to cause power outages, but I'm not sure why. What's something that you're interested in? Pause the video here to write down some ideas. What'd you come up with? Great work. As you brainstorm for this essay, don't worry if nothing is coming to mind right away. Check out the PDF for more ideas. You might even change your topic a few times over, and that's okay. It's all a part of the writing process. Once you've identified something you're interested in writing about, you have to determine the purpose of your writing. Remember that expository writing can be in the form of formal research, an account of an event, a comparison of two things, or step-by-step instructions. Choosing a purpose will keep your writing on topic. So you have to ask yourself, do you want to research and explain something? Do you want to retell an event? Do you want to compare and contrast two things? Or do you want to teach something by giving instructions? What will the purpose of my essay be? Well, Mia gave me the idea to write my essay about storms, but do I want to compare and contrast different kinds of weather? Could I write a paper on the storm that happened the other night? Would it be better to explain the cause of a storm? Hold on, I'm getting ahead of myself. My power is still out and I can't even start this essay, but maybe we could do some research about how electricity works. All right, searching up electricity. Oh, here's an article. Electricity and the origins of the universe. Whoa, that article topic is way too broad. I don't need to know about the origin of the universe. I'm just trying to figure out how electricity works. Let's try looking at a different article. Oh, here's another one. Using a 1 meter copper wire with a cross-sectional diameter of 0.5 millimeters to fix a light bulb. Oh wow, this isn't helping either. I think this topic is too narrow. It gives measurements and it's about fixing only one light bulb. The same thing can happen with our own essay topics. We have to assess the scope of our topic. Scope means the extent or range of something. You have to determine whether your topic is too broad or too narrow. If the topic of your essay is too broad, like the topic of that first article, then it means that there's too much information about it to be included in your essay, or that the information is too general. There's also a chance that you'll end up including information that isn't specific enough to your topic. Your writing will lack focus, and you'll have to fit a lot of information in your essay. On the other hand, your topic could be too narrow, like that second article. The topic that's too narrow is far too specific. This means that you can include extra details that you don't need. The topic could be so narrow that there might be limited research on it. You might not have enough to write about. Your essay could end up being incomplete or unfocused if your topic is too narrow. Your essay topic needs to be between broad and narrow so that it's balanced. Maybe you can help me get the power back on. I'll give you a list of article titles. Use your guided notes to mark down which ones are too broad and which are too narrow. Here are the articles. Everything about energy. The use of a circuit breaker in restoring power in the Midwest. And lights back on, how power is restored after an outage. In your notes, circle which topic is too broad, which is too narrow, and which is just right. Then explain your reasoning. Pause the video now, then meet me back here. So, what do you think? I think that everything about energy is too broad. There's just too much information to cover there. The use of a circuit breaker in restoring power in the Midwest is too narrow. Giving a specific device and a location like that means that there will be limited research on the topic. Lights back on, how power is restored after an outage, is the perfect balance between broad and narrow. I know it's not too specific to include unnecessary details, but it's still general enough to tell me what we need to do. I think this is our answer. Mia, you fixed the power. Wow, thank you. And I've been enlightened about my essay topic, why lightning happens during storms. You did a fantastic job learning about choosing a topic for your expository essay today. Remember, choosing a topic is laying the groundwork for your essay. When you choose a topic, pick something that you're interested in, and remember to consider the purpose of your writing. Knowing your purpose helps you keep on track. You also need to make sure that you'll have enough material to research, but not too much information to cover. Thanks to Mia, I finally settled on exactly what I'm going to research, so I better keep brainstorming. What am I going to search up about lightning? Oh, I have so many good ideas. You keep on brainstorming, and I'll see you next time, lightning learners.
Hey!